Hey guys, I know I'm not filming a Mario and Luigi Brothership video. It's because I don't have the game on me. So I'm gonna have to wait a couple days before I get the game and start videoing on it. But I have not made what am I have not made? I have not watched any videos on YouTube about the new game that just came out like today. So yeah, um I'm gonna be going into the game completely blind when I get it because it's just better that way to go in completely blind and not go in by watching other people play the game and then going in, because then you know what you're pretty much doing. Like, I haven't seen any cutscenes or anything like that, so I don't know what to expect. But I just wanted to film this real quick, just Luigi sneezing. I'm pretty sure the cause of his sneezing is excuse me. The cause of his sneezing is all the sand, as you can see. Sand everywhere. That's probably what's causing him to sneeze. So, yeah, I just wanted to make this a video, because I haven't posted, like, any videos for the past couple days, I think. So this is going to be a video for today, at least to make up for the game that I don't have right now, currently. But, one thing's for sure, I will have the game in, 3 to 4 days and counting, so, yeah, I'll see you guys in 3 to 4 days of that. I wish I could have got it today, but here's the video for today. Just catching Luigi sneezing. See if I can get him to do one more sneeze. I'll probably end it there. Is he gonna sneeze? I know you guys have seen him sneeze already, like a couple times. But yeah, he sneezes because of the sand, I'm pretty sure. There's sand all over him. All around him, not all over him. Sand all over. All around. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. There we go. Got him to sneeze again. Kind of an interesting touch. Sneezes after a minute or two. Alrighty. I know this video was short and sweet, guys, but I just had to post something so that it's not... Yeah. I don't even know what to say. But, yep. I don't know how many subs I'm gonna get from this, but probably barely anything. But, I mean, who knows? I might get some decent subs or something. I'm a little bit over 1,000 subs right now, so thank you guys for the amount of subs I've got right now. And on that note, I'll end it here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.